Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure you have admin rights, because Windows blocks display changes without them. Once signed in, connect any cables or remote sessions you need and open Settings, then System, then Display. You're now looking at the layout and the list of detected displays. Make sure identification is clear by clicking Identify so you know which screen is which. This first step prevents removing the wrong monitor and prepares you to detach displays safely. Now select the monitor rectangle that corresponds to the display you want gone. Once selected, scroll to multiple displays and pick Disconnect this display, or switch to show only one on the primary monitor if removing extras. Click Apply and Windows will prompt you to confirm. This timeout prevents accidental lockouts. If you don't confirm, settings revert automatically. Repeat for each additional display. Take your time here to ensure the primary display remains active and apps don't end up off-screen. After disconnecting in Settings, physically unplug cables and reopen Display to verify the monitor is gone. If a phantom display remains, open Device Manager, expand monitors or display adapters, and uninstall any ghosted entries, then scan for hardware changes. Restart the PC to finalize. Make sure scaling and resolution are correct and that the taskbar move to your chosen display. If something goes wrong, the key tip is to reconnect the monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.